How to fix Facebook Live comments. Welcome back to the channel, and let's get started to this video. Now starting off, you need to launch your Facebook application. Now when you are live on your Facebook, sometimes the comments lag or you face a glitch or a bug issue. To solve such of the problem, here is a simple solution. First and foremost, you need to finish on your live. Just tap on the finish option. Now wait until it loads up. Then tap on the delete icon to delete the live broadcast. Once you are done from here, give it a refresh. Check for your Wi-Fi connection. Enable your airplane mode for about 3 seconds. Then turn it back off and switch to a better Wi-Fi connection or cellular data. Once you are done from here, now exit from here, press and hold onto the app, head to App Info. Force stop it, head to Storage and Cache and clear the cache. Next, you can open up your Play Store. In the search bar, search for Facebook. If there is an update, leave it for an update. If not, uninstall the application and reinstall it later. By this way, you'll be able to fix the problem of your Facebook Live comment. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.